So what to do if you don't know where to part your hair, or if you would like to part it on the different side or in the middle. First of all, I'd like to show you our monofilament foundation. So this is again what we call monofilament, which means from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here. It's hand knotted. So this is one of the finest foundations that we designed. And what this means is you can part it on either the right, the left, or the middle. So I know this will be a little bit difficult to show, but even when I pull back like this, you can see that if I wanted to pull back in the middle, it looks very natural. It gives the appearance of, well, actually what you're gonna see is either your wig liner through the net there or your skin. So this is a very natural looking foundation, and again, remember, monofilament allows for the hair to lay very close to the head, which is a feature that a lot of people really like. So let me show you on the wig that I'm wearing. As you can see, if I part, this is in the middle, I can part on the right or the left and go to the other side. And in order for the part to stay in place, you can dampen with a little bit of water, or when you shampoo, you need to make sure that you definitely place the part where you'd like for the part to dry. Okay, so when you're choosing your part on a human hair wig, you want to shampoo it and make sure that you part where you intend for the part to be so that it dries in place. Again, this is monofilament, and you can definitely part wherever you like. So let me show you one of my little tricks. I've done this since I started wearing wigs, and it's really funny that, it's not really funny, but it's fun to surprise someone who's a seasoned wig wearer when they've never tried this. So today I am wearing this in the middle, and you would never know that this is technically designed to be a side part. So my ear tabs are in place here. However, if you just don't like the part, and I love the part on the side, however today with what I'm wearing and where I'm going, I want a middle part. And as long as this really isn't bothering you, who would know? So I just kind of take my fingers, loosen up the hair, and the part looks good in the middle. The part on this side. And now I'm gonna shift it just a little further. And it's still comfortable. Yes, my ear tab is a little offset, but it's not uncomfortable, and I think it still looks great. You could also do this moving the hair itself, but I just figure why not do it this way? It's so much quicker.